for a 2011 18-footer, 200 horsepower. Literally just one of the best looking boats I've seen for its age. So clean. 7-person capacity. Hour meter is reading 184, but it was added after. He thinks it's probably just under 300 hours. It's got all upgraded Fusion speakers, Fusion radio head. More Fusions up here. Just look at these seats. Look at this boat. So clean. What do you think of the engine? .3 liter, 200. Storage over there, some bumpers over here. No stitching is coming apart. No stain. I mean, this is just, I can't get over it. Such a clean boat. 2011 4.1's 180 H180. Just a beautiful boat. Come check it out.